Hi there, hi everyone, welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Monday, July the 25th, 2022. Yes, it's the holiday season. We have here in this daily newspaper a regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku, but we have also in this puzzle page an additional with extra puzzles. And those puzzles we have 7 puzzles. The first one is a letter Sudoku, and look, the publisher published a puzzle with unique letters, so no double letters or more than twice or 3 times, only unique letters. Then we have a Sudoku with 2 stars, a 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, and a tectonic with 1 star, and 1 binary. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve, 4 of them, and also this medium Sudoku. And what's the news, the daily news? Well, there's a lot of sporting news. Let me show you what this weekend. Well, this is the Tour de France, and yesterday they ended the Tour de France, and the man in the yellow shirt is the winner, Vindegaard, a Danish man, but it's a Dutch team, with no Dutch people in it. Jumbo-Visma, yes, this is the news of today. But also Max Verstappen has won the race in France, and well, a lot of news in this weekend. And the soccer team, the women's soccer team has lost against France. Yes. So in the quarterfinals, how about other news? This is Max Verstappen. Athletics is also ended this weekend in Oregon, Eugene, in the States. Well, this woman has won the silver medal twice, Femke Bol, for the Netherlands. So yeah, a lot of sporting news, but we are not interested in sporting news. No, we are interested in Sudokus, in the puzzles. So let me continue with the first puzzle I will do, the medium Sudoku, and this will be number 4905. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku, if you compare these, it will be a 2 stars Sudoku with 26 printed digits. Well, for a 2 stars puzzle, I need my time limit 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. I see a lot of 1s, 4 1s, so I can start with the 1. I see here also 4 3s. I can start with the 3s. That's no problem. Yeah. Let me start with the 3 then. The 3 in the last column. The 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 3. Okay. Then 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and now I cannot continue with the 3. With the 1, I need also to wait. How about the number? Yeah. The number. Ooh. Okay. This one is okay. The 5 in this column, the 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row. So no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So no row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the last column. So no 5 there, 5 should be here. Okay. Alright. Then I cannot continue with the 5 now. How about 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. We have a 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be here. Yeah. I'm thinking. Okay. Alright. Yeah. 3, yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in the middle row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the first row. So no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about? Yeah. I'm thinking. I cannot continue with the 1. 7. Alright. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be in one of these 3 boxes in this big square. So we have a 2 in one of these 3 boxes in the last row. We have a 2 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column. So no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. 2. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 in the 7, 6 in the 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8. We have an 8 in the last column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Okay. 2. Okay. Then 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last column, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing, 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6, we have a 6 in the second row, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 4 it goes there, 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9, and look, we have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. So the 4 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square should be the number 1. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1 in the first row, so no 1 there. Here 1 in the third row, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 1. All right. Okay. Then we have a 3 in this row, the 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 3. Now we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 here. The only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. All right. We have a 4 in this column, the 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the last row, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. Alright, 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the second column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 2. 14 minutes already passed. Wow. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in the first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 it goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. How about 1 box left in this row for the number? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Now we have a 7 here. So this box can be 7 anymore. This box should be the 7 in this column, and that box should be a 6. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 6 and the 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. This box should be a 6. 2 numbers, 1 box left in this row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8. Wow, cannot fill this yet. These should be also, oh no, well, overlook the 7. Not true, incorrect. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be an 8. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Told you between 15 and 20 minutes I need for a 2 stars. So it's definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later. Later on, I will do 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.